Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Collect who needs the message and which addresses must remain private because BCC hides recipients. Open a new email and put your own address into, so the message sends. Once done, reveal the BCC field if it's hidden. Most clients hide it behind a menu or view option. Make sure to paste or type the private addresses into BCC, not CC or to prevent accidental exposure of the entire list. You now compose the message for all recipients, keeping content generic so it applies to everyone. Use personalization only if you're sending individual messages. Otherwise, avoid recipient-specific references that betray who else is on the list. Once done, scan the two CC and BCC fields deliberately. Confirm private addresses are only in BCC and that no sensitive reply all instructions are present. Make sure attachments are appropriate and virus scanned. Then prepare to send with confidence. You're ready to send? Consider a quick self-test to confirm formatting and that BCC hides addresses. After sending, watch for reply all mistakes. If someone replies all, protect privacy by privately forwarding necessary responses and reminding contacts not to reply all. If delivery fails or recipients report missing mail, check spam filters, attachment sizes, and any bulk sending limits from your provider. When problems persist, use a dedicated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.